Hi there, I'm Chris with Artkive. Lately, we've noticed a lot of our customers had some questions about the best way to organize and pack their Artkive boxes. So I thought I'd share a few tips with you to help make things a little easier.
Our team will photograph your art in the order that is received, so please keep that in mind as you pack your box. Also, when you're gathering your artwork together, know that you can include art from multiple children in the same box. You do not need to order a separate box for each book or child. If you do send in art from multiple children, make sure to sort the art with notes, plastic bags, or binder clips. Rubber bands can damage your art, so try to avoid them. And don't forget to use your book order form. This will help our photographers, editors, and book builders put your artwork together in the way that you want it.
So as you're getting your box together, you realize that your child has a lot of messy art. And by messy art, I mean art that has a lot of glitter, chalk, sand. You get the idea. And that stuff is great. Well, sand's not great.
Sand gets stuck in your bathing suit at the beach, and even though you thought you rinsed enough before you got in the car, the moment you hit the road, you realized there's still some sand in there. And of course, there's traffic on the way home, even though GPS said there wasn't, and now your kids have to pee, and do I have a sunburn on my shoulders?
What was I saying? Right, glitter and sand. If you have any art decorated with this fun stuff, please try to separate it from the rest of your child's artwork. Large Ziplocs and plastic grocery bags usually do the trick. When you pack your Artkive box, try to lay your artwork flat if you can. Our boxes can hold 300 to 400 pieces of flat art.
Please don't roll your art, and avoid folding it if you can. Our editors are very good, but they're not miracle workers. The nicer it looks going into the box, the better it will look in your book. Our books highlight one piece of art per page, so if you would like any art to be photographed together and on the same page, we recommend you make a collage of that art before you send it our way. If you're sending in 3D art, or if your art is fragile, please try to use bubble wrap to protect it. We hate having to tell our customers that their art was damaged during delivery. And because fragile art does have a tendency to break, please don't send in any glass. The glass in framed art almost always cracks during shipping, and we will not process a box with shattered glass for the safety of our team.
If you thought this video was helpful, even just a little bit, you can contact our founders, Jed and Jeff, and demand that I get a raise. Or I suppose if you had a question about your kid's art or something to do with that, you can reach out with that too. Either one works for us. Here's the info. Have fun.